opportunity to speak on my topic, which is based on child labor. Friends, as we all know that child labor is a very big cause in our society, and we have to just eradicate it because it is a big problem for our society. When it comes to education, then education is the right of the every child, and the children who are doing the work as labor, they are not getting the well education. They are not getting the well education. So government should take a strict action. Government should take a strict action to eradicate this problem. To eradicate this problem. Eradicate this problem. Education is a right of every student, and we have to take it. As far as villages concerned, so we all know that in villages there are not so many schools are available. If they are, then their teachers are not good, and they are not giving the well education. They are not giving the well education. So government should open so many schools in cities as well as more in the villages, and keep there the very good teachers to educate the children. As we all know that child labor consists of children below 14 years of age. The ILO companies define that below the work performed by below 14 years children of age are known as child labor. In our India, there are so many factories, companies, and complexes. Their children are working, and they have to do the work. They have to wake up at 4 p.m. and they have to work still at 12 noon, 4 o'clock, and they don't get the food till they complete their work on time. Sometimes when they make mistakes, then their owners beat them very badly, which affects them very badly for their future, and give their sex full of ages, which is very harmful to their future. And when they make some mistakes, the owners beat them very badly. The teachers beat them very badly, and sometimes their hand cut from their machine. Some kidnappers kidnap the children, and they use children as a beggars. They use children as a beggar, and they have to go to the streets, roads, parks, and they have to beg as the beggar. They have to beg. They have to go to the home and door to door, and they have to collect the money for there. And the owners, they do not give the money for them, which they have earned. They use them for them. They use them for themselves. And we all know that children are the future of tomorrow. Then why we are using the children as a child labor? We should not use children as a labor, because they are the future of tomorrow, and they are the future of tomorrow, and we have to give them the proper education. So to eradicate this problem, government should open many schools in villages as well as in cities also. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Very good, well done.